Hi there everyone, welcome to the Uke Stuff channel and welcome to this demonstration and tutorial of one of my ukulele chord melodies, the Beer Barrel Polka. I actually direct a authentic German wind band in the Twin Cities, the Bavarian Music Meisters, and this is one of our songs we will often do as an encore. I've never seen it arranged for ukulele, so I decided to do so, and I'm probably going to play it a little bit slower than you would normally hear it at the full 120 beats per minute in the demonstration. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the song on GCEA ukulele, then I'm going to demonstrate on baritone DGBE ukulele, then I'm going to do a tutorial on GC ukulele, and then a tutorial on baritone DGBE ukulele. If you want to support the work that I'm doing in this channel, there are three things you can do. First of all, you can like this video. Second, you can subscribe to both of my YouTube channels, the Uke Stuff channel, which is this channel, and the Uke Playlongs channel, the Playlongs channel. And third, you can always buy me a cup of coffee to say thank you for making this content at www.buymeacoffee.com/ukestuff. In addition, I do have some Chord Melody books for sale that you can find in a number of places. Again, at buymeacoffee.com/ukestuff, Apple Books, Amazon Kindle, and in print from Amazon. right, now let's do a tutorial for GCEA ukulele. First finger is going to go on the second string, third fret. Second finger is going to go on the third string, fourth fret. And the ring finger is going to go on the fourth string, fifth fret. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go second string up a fret to the second fret, and then back up, third string, same thing again, second string down, that chord again, third string, again. Now first string, third fret, bar the second fret, pinky goes on the first string, fifth fret. First string, third fret, and then a little bit of a tricky chord. I'm having some trouble as I play it, but you want to play a G chord, but then put the pinky on the first string, third fret, and then lift up the pinky and play just the first string by itself. Then first string, second fret, first string, third fret, normal G7, first string, third fret, reach up to the first string, fifth fret, down to the first string, third fret, then that G7 chord with the pinky in the first string, third fret, lift up, play the first string, second fret, first string, third fret, G7, first string open, first string, second fret, then ring finger on the second string, third fret, play all four strings, then the second string by itself. Then we're going to repeat a lot of what we've done. Second string, third fret, second string, second fret, then back to that optional C shape there, string 3, string 2, down, back, chord, third string, again, that chord again, first string, third fret, bar at the second fret, pinky goes on the first string, fifth fret, first string, third fret, then that G7 chord with the pinky, lift up, play the first string, second fret, then jump up to the fifth fret on the first string and fingers 2 and 3 on the seventh fret of the third and second string. Play strings 3, 2, 1. Down to the fourth fret, back up to that chord again. First string, third fret. Then kind of a weird shape again, G chord, but now the pinky comes down on the first string, third fret. Then lift up, play the first string open. Now a fun chord. We're going to put our first finger on the second string, third fret. Our second finger is going to go over and play the fourth string, fourth fret, and the ring finger is going to play the third string, fifth fret, play strings 4, 3, 2. Then slide your first finger down, then a D minor chord, then a G7 chord, and then a C chord. This leads us to the second part of the song, which we will not repeat in the tutorial. Second string, third fret, second string, fourth fret. Then fingers 1 and 2 go down as if you were going to sort of play an F chord with one finger moved over, an A chord with both fingers moved over. So the first finger is on the second string, first fret, and the second finger is on the third string, second fret. Play all four strings. Pinky comes down the second string, fourth fret, that chord again. Second string, first fret, second string open, third string, second fret, and then that chord again. Second string, first fret, second string, second fret, then that C chord, alternate already. Second string, second fret, that chord again. Third string, fourth fret. Third string, second fret. Third string, open, and that chord again. First string, third fret. First string, fifth fret. First string, third fret, G7. Pinky goes up the first string, fifth fret, D minor chord. Second string, third fret, G7 chord. First string, third fret. First string, fifth fret. First string, third fret, G7. First string, fifth fret. Then that chord that we've done before. First finger is on the second string, first fret. Second finger is on the third string, second fret. Second string, third fret, C chord. Second string, third fret. First string open. First string, second fret, C chord. Then bar at the 8th fret. Pinky goes down to the first string, 8th fret. Just the bar chord. F chord with the pinky on the first string, third fret. F chord. F chord with the pinky. Happens again. First string, second fret, that same F chord with the pinky. Quick jump up to the 5th fret. You're going to play the G shape, strings 3, 2, and 1. F chord again with the pinky. Up to the 5th fret, down to the 3rd fret, to that shape at the 5th fret again, strings 3, 2, 1. First string, 3rd fret, first string, 2nd fret, C7. Up to the 5th fret again. 2 of those. First string, 4th fret, 5th fret, then 7th fret, that same shape. Back down to the 5th fret. Pinky comes on the first string, 7th fret. Lift up and play the first string. Up to the 7th fret, play that shape that G chord at the 7th fret again, down to the 5th fret, down to the 4th fret, F chord with the pinky. That happens again, and one more time. 1st string, 2nd fret, F chord, up to the 5th fret, F chord with the pinky. 1st string, 5th fret, 1st string, 3rd fret, up to the 5th fret, G shape. 1st string, 3rd fret, 2nd string, 1st fret, back up to the 5th fret. C chord, except this is a different one. Ring finger on the 2nd string, 3rd fret, play strings 4th string 2. 1st string open, C7. 1st string 3rd fret, up to the 7th fret. Down to the 5th fret, 2 of those. F chord with the pinky, G7. C chord, up to the 5th fret, play strings 3, 2, 1. 7th fret, bar chord at the 5th fret with a pinky on the 1st string, 8th fret. Then, moving up on the 1st string, open, 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, then bar at the 5th fret, pinky comes to the 1st string, 8th fret, down a C chord, back up to the 5th fret again. And that's the beer barrel polka on GCEA ukulele. Alright, now let's do a tutorial for DGBE ukulele. We're going to, first of all, make this G shape on the 2nd string, 3rd fret, and then waterfall down, only playing strings 4, 3, and 2. But what we're first going to do is play the 2nd string, 3rd fret, 2nd string, 2nd fret, and then that chord. Then the 3rd string, then it's going to happen again. It happens again. Now 1st string, 3rd fret, bar at the 2nd fret, pinky comes down to the 1st string, 5th fret. 1st string, 3rd fret, and then you're going to make a D7 chord, but put your pinky on the 1st string, 3rd fret. And then lift up the pinky and just play the 1st string. Now, play that note again, up to the 1st string, 3rd fret with the pinky again, then lift it off, put it back, up to the 5th fret, back down to the 3rd fret by itself, and then keep it there, lift it up, 1st string, 2nd fret, up to the 3rd fret, normal D7, lift up, 1st string open, 1st string 2nd fret, and then the ring finger comes down to the 2nd string 3rd fret. Then play just the 2nd string. Then much of that is going to repeat. So get that hand in that alternative G shape position, 2nd string, 3rd fret, 2nd string 2nd fret, then chord, 3rd string, happens again, starts again. 1st string, 3rd fret, bar at the 2nd fret, pinky goes on the 1st string, 5th fret. 1st string, 3rd fret, then make the D7 shape, pinky comes on the 1st string, 3rd fret. Then lift up, 1st string. Now up to the 5th fret, where you're going to put the 1st finger on the 5th fret of the 1st string and the other 2 fingers on the 7th fret, play strings 3, 2, 1. Down to the 4th fret, back up to that chord again, down to the 1st string, 3rd fret, then make your normal D shape but add the pinky again on the 1st string, 3rd fret, play all 4 strings, then lift up the pinky, 1st string open, then make a slightly different shape, 1st finger on the 2nd string, 3rd fret, 2nd finger on the 4th string, 4th fret, and the ring finger on the 3rd string, 5th fret, play strings 4, 3, 2, move your 1st finger up, then to an A minor chord, then a D7 chord, then a G chord. Then 2nd string, 3rd fret, 2nd string, 4th fret, and then we're going to play this chord quite a bit in the next couple of minutes. 1st finger is going to go on the 2nd string, 1st fret, 2nd finger is going to go on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, play all 4 strings. Ring finger goes down on the 2nd string, 4th fret, then lift up. 2nd string, 1st fret, lift up. 3rd string, 2nd fret, that chord again. 2nd string, 1st fret, 2nd string, 2nd fret, then that alternative G shape. Go down to the 2nd fret, back up. 3rd string, 2nd fret of the 3rd string, 3rd string open, then that G shape again. 1st string, 3rd fret, 1st string, 5th fret, 1st string, 3rd fret, D7, up to the 5th fret, A minor chord, 2nd string, 3rd fret, then D7, 1st string, 3rd fret, 1st string, 5th fret, 1st string, 3rd fret, D7, 1st string, 5th fret, that chord from the beginning of this section. And we are taking the 2nd ending here, 2nd string, 3rd fret, then a G chord. then second string, third fret, first string open, first string, second fret, first string, third fret, G chord. Now let's finish the song. Now we're going to make a bar chord at the 5th fret, and the pinky is going to go on the first string, 8th fret. Then lift up the pinky, then a C chord down here with the pinky on the first string, 3rd fret. Then when we're lifting up the pinky comes back down. Plays again. First string, 2nd fret, that pinky comes down again. Jump up to the 5th fret and play D shape, strings 3, 2, 1. Back down to the C chord with the pinky. First string, 5th fret, first string, 3rd fret, up to that 5th fret again with the D shape. First string, 3rd fret, first string, 2nd fret, G7. Then back up to the 5th fret. First string, 4th fret, back up to that 5th fret again. Now jump up to the 7th fret with that same shape. Back down to the 5th fret. Pinky comes down on the first string, 7th fret, lifts up to the 7th fret. First string, 5th fret, first string, 4th fret, C chord with the pinky. That happens again, C chord with the pinky. Repeat it again. First string, 2nd fret, C chord with the pinky. Up to the 5th fret, C chord with the pinky. First string, 5th fret, first string, 3rd fret, back up to the 5th fret. First string, 3rd fret, 2nd string, 1st fret, and then back up to the 5th fret again. Ring finger comes to the 2nd string, 3rd fret. First string open, G7, first string, 3rd fret, up to the 7th fret, down to the 5th fret. 2 of those, C chord with the pinky, then D7, then G chord, then jump up to the 5th fret, play the D shape at the 5th fret, up to the 7th fret, bar at the 5th fret, pinky comes down on the first string, 8th fret. Then our quick run on the first string, open 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, and then bar chord again, down to normal G chord, back up to that chord. And that's the beer barrel polka on baritone DGBE ukulele. Thank you so much for joining me for this demonstration and tutorial of the beer barrel polka, which again is available for download at ukestuff.info. And you can also purchase it as part of a larger book of collections as well at buymeacoffee.com/ukestuff, Apple Books, Amazon Kindle, and in print from Amazon. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back with you soon with some more Uke stuff.